Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see some methods in the dictionary, which will be very helpful to those while learning with the dictionary. Okay. So let us start with taking the examples of what are the methods we are going to in this look in this lecture. Suppose our dictionary is given as okay to make some keys corresponding value. Okay. Add another key and corresponding value 8. Add another key like RAM and corresponding value 7, something like that we have added. Okay, so add another key like 9, corresponding value 0. Okay, now try to check by printing dictionary. Okay, all seems good. Okay, so if we want to try to get the value corresponding to the one, how we can get that? Okay, so just like in the case of list, we used to do indexing. Like we used to get the item by at that index. The same way we will get that, but here it will be not the index, it will be the key. Okay, suppose we want to get the value corresponding to 1, we can write d of 1. Okay, so we are getting 5. Okay, so if we want to get the 9, d of 9, then we are getting 0. Okay, so this was about how to get the item in the list. Okay, so now try to get the item which are not present in the list. Okay, so like we want to get d of 5, what is get key error, like we are trying to get the item which are not present in the list. Okay, so for that to avoid the error, what we can do, like we can use the method d dot get. Okay, and if we do d dot get 1, what we will get, we are getting 5. If we are using d dot get 7, then if not present, then I think it should I think not means it actually gives, it should give none. Okay, so this is one of the advantage of using get, like we will not get the key error, like error will be not thrown. Okay, our program will run smoothly. So this was about the getting items in 2 batch. Okay, so looking to the another property, like if we want to get all the keys in the dictionary, how we can do that? There is another functional method like d dot keys. Okay, by that we can get all the keys. Now try to print. So we are getting 1, 6, RAM and 9. Okay, and if we want to get all the values, then what we can do, we can write d dot values. Okay, try to print, we will get the values. Okay, now how we can iterate through the dictionary? So for the iterating the dictionary, we can do the same like earlier we used to do in the Python. In Python for list, the same way we will do for key, but here is we have to write two iterators, key comma value. Okay, in dictionary we want to print key comma value. Try to run. Okay, cannot unpack. Okay, key comma value cannot unpack non-readable int object. Okay, so why we are getting here, we are getting here in the key comma value in D. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, so it's giving non-readable. Okay, so let us try to do that. Print x in D. Okay, and try to print x. What we will get? Okay, so we can iterate over the keys only. like we cannot iterate over both things, like key and value we cannot iterate. Okay, so we can iterate over the keys. Like in case of list, we were also doing the same. If we want to get the values also, then we can write d of x. Okay, or we can write it as key. We will write key and corresponding value we will get. 1 is key and 5 is value, 6 is key and 8 is value, RAM is key and 7 is value, 9 is key and 0 is value. Okay, so we have seen about up to here. Now if we want to update any item in the dictionary, how will we do that? So it would be obvious to you, like we used to do in the case of list. We will get to that element, like we want to update the one dictionary of keyword with the, like let's suppose we are updating it with the changed. If we now try to print d, then corresponding value for the one, it will be changed. Okay, so this was all about this module in the Python. Like we have completed the dictionary. Now we will see more interesting topic in the upcoming lectures. Till then, keep watching.